Okay, so here are 4 carrier comfort units. That one's running. And there's actually one over there. But yep. And it's open, so I'm not gonna go to that one, but here's this one. Heat pump has a couple scroll. Not really. There's the data. And this one right here is brand new. Also has a couple scroll. Wait, what? Hang on. What is that? Is that an Alliance? Carriers don't use Alliance. But yeah, that might be Alliance or Squall. One of the two. I don't know. It's not been running, but it was just installed. 2024. And here's this one. Good. There's the data. That one's in 2022. And I'll just check on this one. It's also been running. 2015. 1.5 times. Go. And time to shut off. Let's go. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.